How to fix Edge or Chrome browser covering taskbar when maximized issue. 1. Basic tips. Press the F11 or Fn plus F11 button. Exit, then rerun your browser. Enable or disable the taskbar auto hide feature. Unlock and lock taskbar. Press Win plus L, then unlock your screen. Press Win plus Control plus. Shift plus B. Restart your computer. 2. Restart Explorer. 3. Re-register taskbar and reset start menu settings. 3.1 Run GitOps package alusers for each ADOPS package. Disable development mode register and quo, $_install location, apex manifest.xml and road quo, command in PowerShell. 3.2 Backup, then delete tile data layer file at c:\users\left bracket your username /appdata/local. 4. Run the affected browser in its compatibility mode.